The memory technology that is deeply embedded in today's electronics won't be the memory inside future devices. Today's technology just doesn't work in the latest manufacturing process. The future will be ReRAM, and the industry's key players are already placing that bet. NVM is a semiconductor technology that is critical to every electronic device. Whether it's a phone, TV, PC, car dashboard, there's always that magical moment when you turn it on and it just works. The software and data are there and they're ready to go. That's NVM. The NVM market is worth around $95 billion today and is expected to almost double by 2030. NVM technology is getting more important by the day.
When it comes to embedded NVM, the technology inside system on chips, most products today use flash memory. But embedded flash is reaching hard physical limits. It just can't scale to the advanced manufacturing processes needed for many modern designs. Flash also consumes too much power. It's difficult to integrate into production lines, and it's really expensive to manufacture. The world needs a new NVM, and we have that. Our groundbreaking technology is called ReRAM.
ReRAM can be easily integrated into any standard CMOS flow without any of the compromises designers often need to make when integrating flash, especially in analog and power designs. ReRAM needs very few added process steps and only 2 additional masks versus about 10 for flash. This means the added wafer cost for ReRAM is minimal, maybe just a quarter as much as flash. ReRAM requires 5 times lower voltage compared to flash. It has 100 times lower power consumption, and it doesn't require any special circuitry that constantly consumes power. ReRAM can also be programmed 100 times faster than flash. From the beginning, we focused on creating a product that is the best technical solution and affordable for our customers to manufacture. Weebit ReRAM uses only fab-friendly materials and equipment that is commonly used in today's CMOS fabs. This makes it easy to integrate ReRAM into even the most advanced process flows without massive capital expenses. Because of such materials, other emerging NVMs like MRAM face obstacles in terms of high manufacturing cost as well as its intolerance to electromagnetic fields. Our ReRAM is eco-friendly. It doesn't require rare earth materials. It doesn't pose any contamination risk and has a smaller carbon footprint compared to other NVMs.
Our focus on both innovation and commercial success comes from a deep experience. Our leaders have hundreds of years of combined experience, and across the company, we have brought together some of the industry's smartest and most accomplished people in their fields. A unique advantage of Weebit is our combination of device, process, analog, and digital design capabilities. With world leaders in these 4 pillars of expertise in-house, we can quickly and easily optimize solutions for customer needs.
Our device team, consisting of 13 PhDs in physics and chemistry, develops disruptive memory devices by optimizing the ReRAM bit cell and its select device. This is part of Weebit's secret sauce that comprises our unique memory stack recipe. And our process team focuses on how to manufacture the cell efficiently in different fabs and different process nodes.
Weebit's analog and digital design teams have deep experience optimizing for low power and developing unique algorithms to enhance performance. Our analog designers assemble thousands or millions of bits into large memory arrays. They also design the peripheral analog circuitry which accurately controls the arrays. The digital design team creates algorithms and digital solutions to optimize technical parameters of our resistive RAM.
Within each area of Weebit's expertise, there are numerous technical levers each team can adjust to impact their specific domain.
For example, if the analog team wants to reduce the voltage level required for programming for some ultra-low power application, this might require changes to the memory stack. This means the device team must be involved, and that change might impact the manufacturing process, so they need to pull in the process team, and so on. The key is understanding the specific customer needs, their application and priorities, and being able to fully optimize accordingly.
We know customers are looking to deliver designs to spec on time, and with high quality, whether as an embedded product or discrete NVM. Weebit has the passion, experience, and innovative technology to help them do just that.